Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share some tricks and tips to you to how you can make your lipstick long lasting, smudge proof and transfer proof. So first of all, I'll apply that MAC Prep and Prime. It's called primer. You can use on your lip. It will give you a smooth finish and make your lip hydrated. So you can take any lip primer which is suitable for you. So I'm going to apply it. So here is a Swiss Beauty lip liner that I'm going to apply. So I'm going to give a line. Always use 2 shades darker than your lipstick. It will give a proper and good looking finish to your lipstick. So after that I'm going to apply, this is MAC lipstick. The shade is 121 Burnt Spice. So it is a nude lipstick. It will give us a very nice and pretty lips to you. You can see that lip mark is coming on this hand. So how you are going to make it smudge proof? So I am taking, I have this loose powder. This is Huda Beauty loose powder. So I'm going to apply on my lips. Apply it directly, or you can use a tissue paper and you can see it is smudge proof now and it is long lasting. So here is the thing, this is the way like you can make your lipstick long lasting, smudge proof in rainy season or summer season. More detail you just go through with the caption. Thank you so much, thank you, and please follow my page for more beauty tips.